Good morning children. I am syamalasugathan. Today we are going to study the different parts of a growing root. When we observe a growing root, at the extreme tip we can see the root cap, which is a cap-like structure. And it gives protection to the tender growing tip of the root as it goes through the soil. Next, above that region is the meristematic region. Meristem, it is a group of cells that are in a state of continuous growth and division. Here the cells are isodiametric in shape and they are formed of, the cell wall is formed of cellulose and the cells are actively growing and dividing. And just above the meristematic region is the elongating region. Here the cells are elongated and also helps to increase the length of the root. And so it is called elongating region. And as we can see at the extreme tip is the root cap. Just above that region is the meristematic region. Then comes the elongating region. And above the elongating region, the region is known by the name maturation region. And in this region, we can see a collection of unicellular outgrowths called root hairs are there. Root hairs, they are the unicellular outgrowths of the epidermis of roots. And these are the real absorptive regions of the root system. And above the root hair region, we can see certain lateral roots are there. And these lateral roots, together with the root hair region, constitute what is called the maturation region. Thus we can see when we observe a root at the extreme tip, root cap region is there. Then comes the meristematic region. Above that region is the elongating region, and then the maturation region having collections of root hairs and some lateral roots. This much about the different portions of a growing root. Now we are going to study root modifications. In addition to the normal functions of the root, roots may perform some other functions like storage, support, respiration, photosynthesis, etc. Here the normal functions of the root are fixation of the plant in the soil, absorption of water and minerals from the soil, synthesis of growth hormones or phytohormones, and then transport of food materials, etc. In addition to that one only, we can see that roots may perform functions like storage, support, respiration, photosynthesis, etc. The root modifications may be either taproot modification or adventitious root modification. When coming to the taproot modification, we can see plants like that of carrot, beetroot, radish, etc. Due to the storage of the taproot, it becomes swollen and fleshy. In the case of carrot, we can see as it stores food materials, the root become conical in shape and becomes swollen and fleshy. So it is called a conical root. Conical root. And when it comes to this beetroot, we can see here it is napiform in shape. Here the upper portion is bulbous and the lower portion tapers abruptly, and this is called a napiform root. Napiform. And when coming to a radish, we can see as it is strong root material, both ends of the root tapers and the middle portion bulges. And this type of root is called fusiform root. Fusiform. All these are taproot modifications. Here you know, these are meant for the storage of food materials. It becomes solenoid flexibility with the storage of food. Here they assume different shapes. As in the case of carrot, it is conical. In the case of this beetroot, it is napiform. And when coming to radish, it is fusiform. Then the next type of modification is meant for the support of the plant body. Support of the plant body. In the case of banyan tree, from the lateral branches of the tree, certain hanging roots are produced and they reach the soil and offer additional support to the plant. Such hanging roots appear like that of pillars. They are also called pillar roots. And the roots are called prop roots. Next type of supporting roots are the stilt roots. The stilt roots are seen in sugarcane, maize, pandanus, etc. And here we can see these roots are produced from the basal nodes of the stem and grow obliquely into the soil and give additional support to the main stem. Such roots are called stilt roots. Next comes a root meant for a respiration. Here you know, these type of roots are usually seen in marshy plants like that of Rhizophora, Sarracenia, etc. And here, these roots are negatively geotropic roots growing vertically upwards, and at the tip of these roots, minute pores are there. The minute pores are called nematodes, and the roots are called nematophores. As they are capable of gaseous exchange, they are also called breathing roots. And the plants growing in marshy places are called mangrove plants. The next type of root modification is meant for photosynthesis. In plants like Ctenospora, certain hanging roots are produced, and these hanging roots are rich in chloroplast and they are capable of photosynthesis, and so they are also called assimilatory roots. This much about the root modifications. Today we can stop here. Thank you.